Hello everybody, I am here with a JE problem. Consider the following Cartesian equation of a line in 3D space L such that x minus 2 by 1 equal to y minus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 6 by 5 equal to lambda, which is our parameter. Also consider the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 5. Find the image of line L in the given plane P in parametric form. X equal to lambda plus 2, y equal to 3 lambda plus 1, z equal to 5 lambda plus 6, which we have derived from this equation. Now our step 2 is to find the equation of line perpendicular to given plane and passing through x comma y comma z. Now in step 1 what we wrote here was x comma y comma z, that is any arbitrary point which can vary on this line. Now we have to find the equation of line which passes through this point x comma y comma z and is normal to this plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 5. So the way we do it is, here the drs of normal to plane are just the coefficients of variable x comma y comma z in the plane. Like here, since the plane equation is 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 5, the drs are 2 comma 3 comma 6. So equation of line, that is L1, which is in figure this is the line L1 which is perpendicular to plane. So L1 is x minus lambda plus 2 by 2, y minus 3 lambda plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 5 lambda plus 6 by plus 6 whole divided by 6 equal to mu, which is another parametric constant. Now varying this constant will give line L1. Now step 3, for finding the point of intersection of L1 and plane. Now this is our line L1 and we have to find the point of intersection of this line with plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 5. Let the coordinates of the point, which can vary arbitrarily on the line L1, be parametric, like we have here parameterized already as mu with constant. So 2 into mu plus lambda plus 2 plus and y1 is 3 into mu plus 3 lambda plus 1 and z1 is 6 into mu plus 5 lambda plus 6. Now substituting this value of x1 comma y1 comma z1 in plane equation to obtain parameter u in terms of lambda to define the point of intersection that is x dash y dash z dash. So what we are doing is just substitute the value of x1 in plane to obtain this point, x1 y1 and z1 respectively, to obtain the coordinates of this point. So now after substituting we get mu mu in terms of lambda by this equation. Now substitution of this value of u in x1 y1 z1, we get x dash y dash z dash, which is the point of intersection of line and this plane, this line and this plane, that is this point is x dash y dash z dash as shown here. So after just simple substitution you get x dash y dash z dash parametrically in this form. Now the interesting fact is, you may be learning all the formulas and just go for paper, like you have some formula for finding the image of point in line, but you will be stuck if you are asked to find some stuff like this. Like this will give you this coordinate, this is also x dash y dash z dash is also dependent on a parameter lambda. So this is actually the equation of this line, that is projection of this line L in the plane, that is this line L2. This is the projection of this line on plane L2. After substitution you get this constant quantities like 22 by 49 minus 64 by 49 and 66 by 49. So if you substitute these values in your plane equation, like this point lies in the plane, and that is the evidence of that this point, like this line defined parametrically, lies in the plane, which is the projection of our line L in the plane, this plane, that is line L2. Now we are on our final step. Now we are going to finally use midpoint formula to find x double dash y double dash z double dash, that is any arbitrary point which is the image of line L, image of any point on line L in plane, in our given plane, like image of this point x comma y comma z in this plane, to give x double dash y double dash and z double dash. Simply using midpoint formula, here x dash y dash z dash is the midpoint of x double dash y double dash and z double dash, and x comma y comma z. So just by doing midpoint theorem, we can get x double dash at 2x dash minus x and eventually y double dash and z double dash. So after just substituting here, you get this parametrically, like 2 into, just substitute the value of x dash from here and substitute the value of x from here to get x double dash, y double dash and z double dash defined in a single parameter. So if you further simplify these two, you will get parametrically the equation of line. So yeah, thank you.